Here are 7 things that every author should know before self-publishing their book. Before you even start writing, you need to ask yourself, who is this book for? Understanding your target audience will help with everything, from choosing a cover design to planning out your marketing. And the more specific you are, the better are your chances of meeting your sales goals. Not all publishing platforms offer the same type of services. Some platforms only offer printing services, while others like Notion Press guide you through editing, design, distribution, and marketing. So look into what is included. If professional editing and design services are available to you, then you should definitely use them, as they will vastly improve the quality of your manuscript. We all know the saying, don't judge a book by its cover. But the truth is, everybody does. A good cover design catches the reader's eye, communicates your book's genre, and helps your book stand out in a crowded bookstore. So you can work with a professional graphic designer, as they know what works and what doesn't in a book cover. Self-publishing is faster than traditional publishing, but it's not instant. Editing, designing, planning a solid marketing strategy, all of this can take some time. So don't rush your publishing journey. Instead, ask for a clear timeline from your publishing manager and trust the process. In self-publishing, you hold the copyright, which means that if someone else uses your work without your permission, you have the right to take legal action. You also have control over future editions, adaptations, translations, and licensing. Self-publishing means you need to put in a lot of thought and effort towards marketing your book. Platforms like Notion Press will even give you a dedicated team working towards getting the word out about your book. And finally, remember that when you self-publish, you're not just a writer anymore. You're an entrepreneur. You're making investments, taking important decisions, and taking control of your own success. That might feel overwhelming, but it's also exciting. You have control over your work, your brand, and your future. At Notion Press, we call authors authorpreneurs because you are running a creative business. Do you have any more questions? Check out our other videos to stay updated about all things publishing. And you can also click on the link in the description to talk to one of our publishing consultants who will help clear all your doubts. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more updates. Happy publishing!